Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the Futures Week in Review. I'm going to start off with British Pound, crowded long, and you see incredible momentum to the downside from Monday and then continued from Thursday, Friday. Nice overall gain for the week. Canadian dollar eked out a nice small gain here from Tuesday, Wednesday, and then was out on Friday. Even the euro had an overall gain to the downside. This is now that it is red week. Japanese yen, however, lost to the downside on this overall pre-market reversal. New Zealand dollar, nice overall gains to the downside. We had a COT indice, a delta stack, and it's massively crowded long in the 60th percentile. Commercials below their 6-month average. Nice overall movement to the downside for New Zealand dollar. Swiss franc, movement to the upside before a complete reversal. Hit a liquidity zone and just completely reversed, where we were out before that on this overall gain and got out on the weekly liquidity zone. Next, with cocoa, it's massively crowded long, 80 percentile. That is huge. Right off of Friday, incredible gains here on Monday, and then another short with a gap down trade. Close off the week with a nice gain. Next one was gold. Hit a nice liquidity zone and then just massively crashed here after this overall gain to a liquidity zone on Monday and Tuesday. Had some losses here that the gold recovered majority of all of the losses here on Friday with this massive movement to the downside. Had a COT index here, but it is crowded long in the 80th percentile. So gold continues to be massively crowded long with a lot of euphoria to the long side. Same with pretty much the majority of the metals, but copper showed its overall weakness and continued movement to the downside, especially after this overall bounce up off the RL270 and continued up and then decided to come back down on Friday. Nice overall gain. Here's where I got my overall loss for the week after a couple of signals to the downside. Incredible movement to the downside and then just rocket up on there as it's consolidating on the RL270. Big loss for OJ. Platinum was a small gain to them from a liquidity zone. Interesting gain on that, and then no further trade the rest of the week. Russell was by far the best trade here for the week. Caught a COT index, delta stack. It was mixed, however, in terms of crowding, but with this COT index as the priority, caught the low tick on the Z3 long and beautiful gain on Russell. Same with silver to the downside. Didn't catch this, but I did catch some nice movement to the downside to liquidity zones. On the 10-year, I took a loss here, bounce off the Z3 excursion for a loss on the 10-year. Soybean meal, however, caught the nice little J-hook trade to the downside, hit the Z3 excursion. Nice overall trades, starting with this pre-market reversal on the daily from above the dragon to below the dragon and continued all the way down to the Z3 excursion. Crowded long in the 70th percentile. Soybean meal futures were a nice overall trade. Hit the RL270 and bounced back up. Total fades were 16, wins were 12, losses were 4. Nice return on equity. If you're interested in these kind of strategies going forward, or programming in both PineScript or Python, auto trading, or joining a community at Crowded Market Report to understand the commitment of traders tables, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Sunday. One important note is to make sure that you understand that the commitment of traders or CFTC data will not be changed until Monday night or Monday afternoon because of the holiday last week. Happy trading, everybody. Well, if you like this video, hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.